everyone. So if you saw my last video where I made an avocado hair mask, this is the leftovers. I put it in the fridge and put it on the next morning because it was cold. Put it all over my face. It's good for dry skin. It moisturizes your skin and leaves it very soft. So I have it on and I had my mom do it too.
Morning.
Guess what I'm gonna put on your face?
What?
This. Straight from the refrigerator. Are you ready?
That doesn't look yummy.
Alright. Actually, I'm gonna let you put it on, okay? Because I'm gonna record you.
Okay, let's see. It's cold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just put it all over your face, under your eyes. Just don't get in your eyes. You could get in your mouth. It's all natural. It's okay.
It's really cold. It's like ice cold.
But does that feel good?
Well,
or is it too cold for you?
it's too cold right now, but I guess it'll get better.
Okay, I guess I could have let it sit out for a little bit.
Yeah, you could have. I mean, I'd rather have some chips on it. Put it in my face. Now I look like an alien. Green.
Okay, Mom, this was a prank. This is not for your face.
What do you mean? What do you mean it's not for my face?
It's a prank.
No.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. It is. It is for your face.
What do you mean? I can get those out.
No, it is.
I'm like, wait a minute. What do you mean it's not for my face?
You can put some more on this side right here. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna let it sit for a while and then we're gonna take it off.
Okay.
Mom, come here. How do you feel with this avocado on your face?
Very plastered.
Very plastered?
Yeah, I feel like a wall, you know?
Okay. Why? Does it feel sticky?
I don't know how it feels really.
Okay.
I just feel, I know that I got something in my face.
Oh, you just feel it on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what face masks do, Mom.
Okay, so I have a face mask.
How did it feel putting it on your face like when it was cold in the morning?
It was very cold, but it felt good.
Yeah.
It felt good, yes.
Yeah, I like that too. I like that feeling.
Yeah. Like right now, it's like settling.
Okay. Was it sticky or was it creamy?
It was like creamy.
Yeah, it's mainly more avocado and then it has olive oil and honey.
Yeah.
It's gonna leave your face feeling smooth, but we're gonna see what you think about it when we take it off.
Yep.
It's almost off. You have some over here and on your face, your nose. Okay, so it's all off now, finally. How does your skin feel?
It feels nice, refreshed, and soft.
If you have dry skin, this is a good little face mask to do at home with 3 simple ingredients that you probably already have. Instead of going to the store and buying a mask. Avocado, I use 1 large ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, if you try it at home, let me know how it goes.